Hey guys, welcome to the How-To channel. Today we are going to add some LED strips on these garage shelves right here. The other day I have integrated this wall board right here, and as you can see the tools are a little bit in the dark right here. So I want to insert this LED strip underneath this shelf, the other one also, so we can have a little bit better lighting. I will show you how to cut and how to extend these LED strips, and also we need to integrate this extension cable with 3 additional sockets because we also have this clock right here. So we need power for our LED strips and we need power for this clock. That's why we are integrating this dude. So this is basically 12 watts LED safety strip. You can see how it looks. It also has AC/DC adapter and it also has a remote with various colors on it. First of all, we will fix this extension sockets, 3 extension sockets right here on this storage board. So when we take a look from here, it will be hidden there behind the tools. And we want to fix it with the screws for this board so it won't fall off here to the side. Nice and tight. 3 extension sockets are done. Okay, we have this clock now connected to one of these 3 new sockets, and as you can see, these new sockets are connected to the old output. Next up is to integrate LED strip right here underneath the first shelf and underneath second shelf. Make sure you always cut it right here on the mark section where you can cut. Okay, now we have to connect these 2 strips. This right here is a very simple connector for these LED strips. It's very easy to connect 2 different LED strips by using this connector. So like this, just put it in. Good. And close it. Good. And now the other one, but make sure you have blue on blue, red on red, and so on. So basically turn it around together and then put the other LED strip in and close it. Let's just check and see if my LED strip really works before we put it on the shelf, right? Yeah. Nice. Okay, so right here we have an adapter that is converting the input from 220 volts to the output of 12 volts. And also here we have a small adapter, but this is basically just for different connections. Actually, once you order this set of LED strings, this comes together with it. And here is just a plug-in connector from the LED strip cable to the power output. Let's see if this works. Nice! There you have it, guys. As you could see, this was very simple and easy installation, but we wanted our tool board to be a little bit more visible, to have some light on it, and we managed to do it. Now we will try to hide all of this electronics. We will put everything together and hide it in a corner. If you have found any value in this video, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.